There is a number floating around the internet. By 30, you should have 1 times your salary saved. By 40, 3 times your salary. Is that realistic? Let me show you what the numbers actually mean and what to do if you are behind. The big financial companies say this. By 30, 1 times your salary. By 40, 3 times. By 50, 6 times. By 60, 8 times your annual income saved for retirement. Here is the truth, though. Most people are not hitting these numbers, not even close. The average 35-year-old has less than $30,000 saved. So if you are behind, you are not alone, and you are not broken. Here is what I want you to focus on instead. The real benchmark is not a dollar amount. It is a percentage. 20% of every paycheck, saved consistently, beats any milestone. A 30-year-old saving 20% will retire wealthy. A 30-year-old hitting the milestone once and then stopping will not. $500 a month, invested in a low-cost index fund, becomes $679,000 in 30 years. That is the power of compound interest. Time matters more than the amount. If you are behind, do not panic. Do not restart from zero in your head. Just start now. Automate your 20%. Trust the math. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Subscribe for more videos that meet you where you actually are, not where the internet says you should be.